It's my 93 Silvia S14. I bought it from Japan 5 years ago, imported it myself. It was automatic and bone stock, and now it's slightly less bone stock. It's just got kit, wheels, a little bit of aero. It's got all your pieces that you need to have if you're trying to be someone online. You got your Ganadors, you got your super rare Aeromaster hood, one of 3 that I know of currently. CR Kais, nothing too crazy. The real real show stoppers are over here. The ABS T6s, but those are for later. Yeah, it's got the Koki S14 tails, Reinhardt exhaust, full GP Sports Type R kit, and it's also a Zanki, so that matters to some people. But it's got your nice round headlights. And as far as the interior goes, it's we're running a mismatched set of bridge seats. We've got a Z82, which is my favorite seat. It comes up really high, wraps around my shoulders really nice. And then for the passenger seat, we have an Ergo 1.5. So it's basically an Ergo 1, but it's just got the new logo on here as opposed to the old logo, which is on that head pad over there. But we'll fix that up. There we go. Now they match. We've got the checkered seats, like every drift fiend needs that wants to be someone. You got your blue Nismo fashion lighter, Battlecraft Hyper Teardrop shift knob, Cusco spin turn knob. Got an ATC Super D1 model. These are pretty limited. This is the only one I've ever actually seen. I browse the auctions all day long, pretty much. And we've got in the back a really crazy kind of bracing setup with a Next Miracle crossbar and a horizontal running bar on the top here. And then even down here on the bottom, if you can grab it by the tunnel there, we've got a Dulux floor bar that's also tying the car together. So hopefully for a bit more rigidity. This was supposed to be a little bit more of a quote-unquote drift car, but now we're going to more of a kind of Group A, early JGTC inspired grip setup.
Sick. Let's get it wrapped.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's wrap it. Well, the smart people out there, that probably meant a lot. To me, it's just cool. And I just want to wrap it.